In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host multiple domains on HostGator. Before we dive in, it's important to understand that managing multiple domains on a single hosting account can be incredibly efficient and cost-effective. Whether you're setting up separate websites for different businesses, projects, or personal use, this method allows you to seamlessly manage everything from one convenient place. Let's get started. First, you're going to need to sign into your HostGator cPanel. Think of this panel as your website's control center, where you can access all tools and features needed to manage your sites. Make sure you have the correct login details before proceeding, and once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable with it. Next, locate the feature labeled Add-on Domains. This is where you will add your additional domains to your HostGator account. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter the new domain name that you wish to host. It's important that the domain has been registered beforehand, even if through a different provider. In the form you'll see here, you'll also need to assign each domain a unique name directory, which will be created within your existing public_HTML directory on your server. Think of this as creating separate folders for each website's files. This helps in organizing and ensuring that the files for different domains don't intermingle with one another. Once you have added the domain and set up its directory, the next step is to upload your website files or install a content management system like WordPress. This step largely depends on what kind of site you want to run. If you're installing WordPress or another CMS, this process will be straightforward, as most applications have installation scripts that help with the setup. Ensure that all files are correctly uploaded to the specific folder you assigned earlier to keep everything organized. Now, if any of your new domains require a database, for example, if you're installing a CMS, you'll need to manage databases separately. HostGator's cPanel offers a MySQL databases tool where you can easily create a new database and database user. It's important to keep track of these details because you will need them when setting up your website .config files. Last but certainly not least, if your domains are registered with a different provider, you'll need to ensure that your domain name server or DNS points to HostGator. This step is crucial as it connects your domain to the hosting server. You'll need to change the name servers on your domain registrar's site to match those provided by HostGator.